This primary grammar unit is perfect for the classroom, homeschool, or virtual distance learning. In Unit 1, we are learning about nouns. This curriculum is standards-based, conceptual, hands-on, fun, and perfect for kindergarten through 2nd grade. We start by learning what is a noun. We build our grammar foundation using anchor charts, sorting cards, and printable activities that help students understand how to identify nouns. Next, we move on to sorting nouns. We start by sorting pictures and then move on to sorting words. Differentiated versions are available. Now, children are ready to find nouns on their own, in pictures and in sentences. We love to go on noun hunts, and 5 options are included in both color and black and white. We are ready to use what we have learned and explore nouns around the house. Children use the color maps to find nouns in each room. They record their answers and add additional nouns on their own. This is the perfect way to connect grammar to the real world. Next, we move on to articles, pronouns, and proper nouns. Teaching children about articles is the perfect first step in sentence diagramming. I help my students understand proper nouns using activities and examples that they can connect to. Pronouns can be tricky, but these activities are right at their level. This unit comes with everything you need to teach the standards in a fun, engaging way. This is Unit 1 in our primary grammar series. Additional support is available on our website, keepingmykiddobusy.com.